One of my app is the international music player app, which is allow the user to search for an international song, play the demo of that song is like 30 seconds because it's free API. I'm using Deezer API, it's really nice API for songs, and you can even build some. You can even create a playlist and personalize your playlist with your favorite songs, basically. I'm using the JWT token for the authentication system to authenticate the user and to keep the user sign in. You can either sign up, create an account, or if you have one, you can just come here. Like I have my account already. I'll just put my username and use my password. And when you look in, you have the recommendation page. So as our recommended song, we're already fetching from the backend some songs, and we store them in our database, and then we just display them here in the front end. So here we have some song that you can play. So if you click here, so they are international songs, so they're all over the world. They're any type of song, and you can play any of this song, or you can add them to the playlist if you have one playlist here. And the song can be controlled from here. This is the volume, or you can just go ahead with the song or go back. I use the React H5 audio player library for this component. This component is always playing in the background if you navigate the app, so you can just let the song play and navigate the app. Here it is. So this is our recommendation page, and we have the playlist. So the playlist, you can just create any playlist, like rock, for example. Let's say we want a rock playlist. I have already a few playlists here. You can delete some of them. If you view the playlist at the moment is empty. It will ask you to add some song. You don't have any playlist yet. Add the song. So we take you to the search. This is my last search. It's just play rock. I will give you some songs here that you can test before to add to the playlist. Okay, let's say that we like these 3 songs here. We can just go. This is a model. This is a nice model. We'll open, and he'll give you all the playlist you have at the moment. So this is the one we just created, which is rock, and you can just add it over there. And here is rock. Want it all in my rock playlist. Okay. Another way to search, you can just search vocally. So if you click this one, rock. How you can see what dance. So while I'm speaking, he's just looking for song. Okay. So you can even use. I'm using the SpeechRecognition library, which allow me to use my command like voice command to search for a song. And if you go in our playlist now, the rock one, the one we created and add the song in it, we have 3 songs now. One we chose, and we can play them. Yeah, so here you have the name of the playlist, and you can just delete them if you don't like them. Let's say we didn't like them, we just clean up our playlist here, go back, and we'll ask you to add some more songs. So I'm using Redux to store the state. I use the material UI to install the component. Deezer API for the song to fetch the song. The backend is being done with using Ruby on Rails, and I'm using React Router to keep the UI in synchronous with the URL. So if you change here, the URL will just change as well. And even if you go inside the playlist, use the ID of the playlist to follow up. So you can just copy and paste this, send it to someone, and he can just open the page. You just open it here if he has an account. Yeah, this is I use the hooks for the component. So component has been built with hooks. Yeah, this is basically my app. I really hope you enjoy it, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below. I will leave also the repository for this this app for the back end and the front end. Thank you very much.